Hey, if you are wondering why your AirPods Pro 3 sound muffled, then in the most cases, like in the 90% cases, this is the Bluetooth or connection issues. So what you can do, basically you can disconnect and reconnect them back by going to the Bluetooth settings and clicking on that option that is located over here. So disconnect, then reconnect, or you can completely forget this device and perform a reset of this device. If you don't know how to do that, you can find a few videos of resetting that device, and you can just simply repair them. Sometimes you can also try to perform the reset of network settings on your iPhone or iPad by going to the general settings. You will have to navigate into reset options, go to the reset and select reset network settings. By the way, it's gonna include Wi-Fi and the mobile data settings. If it is still not working, you can try to restart your device. But sometimes you can also try to recharge your device, so the low battery can significantly affect performance. Make sure that you have charged both earbuds fully, or you can also try to exchange ear tip sizes. So using the wrong size can actually reduce sound quality and the noise cancellation. And at the end, you can also try to change your music application. If you are using Apple Music, check if the same issue appears on YouTube Music, Tidal, Spotify, normal YouTube application. And that's everything that I can recommend you.